Frog roly-poly balloon tutorial. Insert a round object into the balloon. Squeeze toward the center. Wrap the balloon skin around and tie a knot. Stretch the neck and turn the balloon inside out. Inflate and tie the balloon. Tie a pair of white 5-inch balloons together with a knot. Wrap the green balloon skin around the white one several times and secure it. Trim off the excess balloon material. Finally, paint the frog's expression to finish.